Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am working with Dorsanee hair. I'm super excited to show you guys this beautiful wig that they sent to me. This is their 360 full lace wig. I'm gonna have everything down below in the description box, and I'll also have a picture of the wig on the screen to show you guys all the details of the wig. I feel like I haven't tried a full lace wig in a minute. I'm not sure. Maybe I've tried one recently, but I can't really remember. Let me just tell you guys a little bit about this wig first. I believe I have the straight texture. They sent me 26 inches and this is 180% density. This wig can be parted anywhere since it is a full lace wig. The wig also does come with combs on the inside, an adjustable elastic band, and it also features a breathable lace. And I can tell you this lace does feel really breathable and lightweight on my head. I love that. I don't like when wigs get super hot. It can be very annoying. For this wig, like I said, they did send me 26 inches. I did decide to cut it because to me the ends were a little bit sparse, kind of like thin. I didn't really like that. It didn't give the hair much movement, so I wanted to cut it so that it had way more body, and I'm super happy that I did. A little bit under there just for the perfect look. I didn't do too much to it. I just wanted it to have some body. With this wig, you can do so many hairstyles that you cannot do with your typical lace front wig. Since you can part it everywhere, you'll see later on in the video I'm going to be showing you the parting space that this wig has. The hair is so soft and so silky. I did wash this wig before installing it. You'll see what it looks like straight out of the box. I'm going to try it on for y'all straight out of the box so you can see exactly what you're getting. But I just think this wig turned out to be so beautiful. I love how it looks on me. I love the sleek and straight look. I also did say it's 180% density, and I think this is the perfect density for a wig like this. This video is going to be short and sweet. You're gonna see me install this and straighten it and then do a hairstyle for you guys. I'm gonna have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys if you want to check out Dorsanee's website. So if you guys want to see how I got this wig together, then just keep on watching.
We hit the club and it's cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we might get a deal. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got in a deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch never like it all. She gets down just like it all. Run the block, she not on the shot. That bitch bad, watch her blow. It's the way. She wasn't on a run, and she wanted a runner. You see